Hey, it's Sandy. Welcome back to CutePolish. I hope you're all having a wonderful 2018 so far. In today's video, Miri and I will be sharing 5 ways to avoid ruining your nail art designs. This video is brought to you by Squarespace. Whether you need a domain, website, or online store, make it with Squarespace. So picture this, you spend hours working on your masterpiece, the design is finally finished, you top coat it, and it has now turned into the worst day of your life. This is the last thing you want happening, so when you're doing nail art, our first tip is to purchase a special top coat that is specifically made for resisting smudges. A few brands that sell them would be Bundle Monster, Born Pretty Store, or MoYou. Our second tip is for those of you who don't own one of these special smudge-resistant top coats or can't order one. It's smart to test out all of the top coats that you currently own before using them over designs, especially if it's a new top coat that you've never used before. You can easily test these on paper like this, so you can see which ones are best at resisting smudging. When applying your top coat, it's important to float it over your nail without the brush actually touching the design and pulling on it. Apply it with 3 strokes so that you don't go over the same part of the nail twice, and then cap the tip. Next up is for those of you who love finishing your designs by mattifying them. Matte top coats are notorious for smudging designs. However, we have an easy fix to share. All you have to do is first apply a glossy top coat, allow it to dry, and then you can apply your matte one. Doing this will prevent your design from smudging or smearing. Another solution is to use a gel polish top coat instead of a regular one. Gel polish top coats won't smear regular polish beneath it. Plus, you can cure it under a light for super fast drying time. It also has the added benefit of not being able to dent or damage your designs after it's cured because it will be super hard. Our final tip is for when you're using dotting tools to apply dots of nail polish on your designs. It's important not to make them too thick. Thick dots will take a lot longer to dry, and the longer the polish takes to dry in between layers, the higher risk you run of having it smear with the top coat. So practice on paper first so you can see how to make your dots not so thick. And that's it! Let us know in the comments which of these tips you'll be trying out. Also, a big shout out to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Create a beautiful website with Squarespace's all-in-one platform. There's nothing to install, patch, or upgrade ever. Their beautiful designer templates make creating a powerful online identity even easier. So if you're looking to launch your own nail art blog or a portfolio of your nail technician work, this is the place for you. Head to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/CutePolish to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. If you guys would like to watch more awesome nail art tutorials on CutePolish, click these boxes here. You can also subscribe by clicking this little circle. Also, be sure to check out Miri's channel right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye!